MaPa Story! Download the MaPa Story app from Google Play Store now.
Hi, my name is Shriyans. For this Kiddie Wednesday, I am going to read Little Painters on MaPa Story. I hope you like it. Little Painters. It was holiday time. Veena and Vinay were in the garden. There were tins of paint everywhere. There was white paint and red paint and green paint and blue paint and yellow paint. The painters were busy. One painter was on a ladder. Another was hanging from a roof on a swing. "Can we help?" asked Veena and Vinay. The painter gave each of them a brush. "Paint the inside of the gate," he said to Veena. "Paint the outside of the gate," he said to Vinay. They picked up 2 tins of paint and set to work. Veena painted one side of the gate. Vinay painted the other side of the gate. Paint fell on the ground. The paint fell on the wall. The paint fell on them. At last, they finished. They wiped off the paint that splashed on the ground. They wiped off the paint that splashed on the wall. They wiped off the paint that had splashed on them. "I love my red gate," said Veena. "I love my green gate," said Vinay. "Oh, you're a 2-colored gate," cried the painter. "Let us keep it that way," said Mother.
MaPa believes that all kids can become great storytellers. Storytelling is for everyone, and we want your kids to join in the fun. Send us a message on the MaPa Facebook page if your child would like to record a story and participate in our special storytelling by kids for kids on Kiddie Wednesdays on the MaPa Facebook page. MaPa Story.
MaPa Story! Because stories can do more. Download the MaPa Story app from Google Play Store now.